Aston Martin Vantage. The Aston Martin Vantage is one of those cars that does not simply roll off a production line and blend into the traffic. It arrives with presence, character, and heritage that few vehicles in the world can match. It is not just another sports car, and it is certainly not the kind of machine that is designed to fade into obscurity. The Vantage, through decades of evolution, has come to represent the purest form of Aston Martin's promise to deliver power, beauty, and soul. Every time you see one on the road, its muscular stance and unmistakable proportions announce with absolute certainty that this is a car built not just to be driven, but to be felt, admired, and remembered. The Aston Martin Vantage is not merely an object of engineering, it is an emotional statement, a rolling sculpture, and yet at the same time, a tool of precision designed to bring together luxury and ferocity in a single, tightly crafted package. When Aston Martin first conceived the idea of the Vantage, the goal was never simply to make an entry-level model. While it is often described as the gateway into Aston Martin ownership, that description undersells its importance. The Vantage has always been about bringing Aston Martin's most exciting, most dynamic, and most aggressive character to the surface. It was meant to be the sports car of the family, the one that pushed the brand into the territory where driving pleasure, agility, and outright performance mattered just as much as design elegance and craftsmanship. Unlike its bigger siblings such as the DB11 or the DBS Superleggera, which lean toward grand touring refinement, the Vantage has always carried the spirit of a compact powerhouse, something that communicates with the driver in the most direct and thrilling way possible. Look at the way the current generation Vantage sits on the road, low, wide, and menacingly purposeful. Its proportions are deliberately athletic, with a wide track and muscular haunches that communicate strength and agility. The nose dips low to the ground with that bold grille design, a reinterpretation of Aston Martin's traditional face but sharpened for the modern era. Its headlights, slim and aggressive, cut into the bodywork with an almost predatory focus. The clamshell bonnet, a hallmark of Aston Martin's design, not only adds visual drama but also speaks of precision engineering. The side profile reveals the flowing lines, the sculpted doors, and the compact stance that tells you immediately this is a car designed to grip, to turn, and to respond to every subtle movement of the driver. Around the back, the distinctive tail light signature sweeps across the width of the car in a single bold line, while the diffuser and exhaust pipes remind you that this is not just an object of beauty, but of raw mechanical intent. Beneath that sleek body, the Vantage carries a heart that beats with passion and engineering brilliance. The engine, sourced from a partnership with Mercedes-AMG, is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that produces immense power. This unit is not only efficient and modern but also tuned to deliver the unique Aston Martin character. It growls, it roars, it sings in a way that is unmistakably emotional. With over 500 horsepower at its disposal, the Vantage surges